Hi, welcome to my channel Ash Cash Stash. My name is Ash. Here we explore the realm of side hustles, unwrapping opportunities that anyone can tap into. Today, we're venturing into the world of dog walking, a side hustle that requires no computer, just your love for dogs and a pair of comfortable shoes. It's an exciting journey that can start as early as tomorrow. So, ready to dive into the world of dog walking? Great, because it's time to unleash the potential. Dog walking, an adventurous side hustle that doesn't require a computer, only your love for dogs and a bit of physical stamina. Side hustles are all the rage these days. They're a fantastic way to earn extra cash, explore your passions, and flex your entrepreneurial muscles. And when it comes to side hustles, dog walking stands out from the pack. Why? Because it doesn't require any special skills or hefty investments. All you need is a soft spot for our four-legged friends and the willingness to stretch your legs a bit. Plus, who wouldn't want to spend their free time in the company of adorable dogs? It's like getting paid to have fun. And the best part? It's a side hustle anyone can dive into, regardless of age, background, or experience. So how exactly do you start a dog walking side hustle? Let's paw into it. Starting a dog walking side hustle is as easy as fetching a ball. You just need to follow a few simple steps. So let's unleash the leash and dive right in. First and foremost, understand what you're signing up for. Dog walking is not just about taking a leisurely stroll in the park. It involves responsibilities like ensuring the dog's safety, dealing with any behavioral issues, and sometimes even handling minor health emergencies. Next, decide on your rates. It's essential to strike a balance between what's fair to you and what's affordable for your clients. Consider factors like the duration of the walk, the number of dogs, and any additional services like feeding or grooming. Once you've got that down, it's time to put yourself out there. Advertise your services to the world. Use word of mouth, post flyers in your neighborhood, or even utilize social media. Remember, the more people who know about your services, the better your chances of finding clients. Now let's talk about your first clients. It's always a good idea to arrange a meet and greet before the first walk. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the dog and discuss any specific needs or concerns with the owner. Once the introductions are done, it's showtime. Always be punctual, professional, and patient. Remember, each dog is unique and may require a different approach. One might be an energetic sprinter, while another prefers a slow saunter. Adaptability is key in this business. And finally, always keep learning and improving. Attend workshops, read up on dog behavior, and continuously strive to provide the best service possible. Your dedication will not only benefit the dogs, but also help you stand out in a sea of dog walkers. And there you have it. Your dog walking side hustle is ready to go. You're now equipped with all the knowledge you need to start this rewarding side hustle. So put on your walking shoes, grab that leash, and let's get wagging. Like any side hustle, dog walking comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. Let's dive right into them. First, the upsides. This job is the epitome of flexibility. You decide when and how much you work. Plus, you get to be outdoors, soaking up the sun or enjoying the crisp autumn air. Not to mention, you're spending time with dogs, man's best friend, and that's a mood lifter in itself. But let's flip the coin. You'll face challenges too. Dogs, as adorable as they are, come with different behaviors and temperaments. Some are as calm as a summer's day, while others are a whirlwind of energy. And then there's the weather. You'll have to brave the sweltering heat, freezing cold, and everything in between. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. And with dog walking, the rewards are worth it. That's it for today's video, folks. We've embarked on a journey, showing you how to transform a love for dogs into a profitable side hustle. Remember, you can start tomorrow, no computer needed. We've discussed the steps to start and the advantages and challenges you may encounter. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Subscribe to Ash Cash Stash channel and don't forget to ring the bell to get the latest news of our videos. Until next time, happy dog walking.